Good morning, everybody. Like promised, it's clearance day. Bins arrived, so let's get stuck into it. Going to go home first, put some shorts on, I think, because it's getting quite warm, so I need to get into that, and I'm going to call Mr. Thomas. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be fun, but we're going to get it done. All right, ready, steady. There you go. So it's been a great morning. We have literally got rid of a lot of the rubbish, which I'm going to show you a bit later on. So this has been awesome. It's actually starting to feel like this place is ours. So this is really good. Just a short video today. Wow. What a difference it makes. Like these, I've got to work out how to get rid of the paint. I don't know how. All plastics going out for the communes coming to pick them up. Then the metal truck will come pick up all the metal. And as you can see up the top there, skip's completely full. That's for us. And just makes a big difference. You just don't realise how big of a yard we actually have. That little oak, I want to make something with that. And then after today, we've processed all the wood down the bottom. It's pretty misty today. But so we've just moved it all. Very well done. I've chainsawed the lot there. So now all I have to do is come down and rake all this first, move those, and then we can motor zap from the bottom to the top. But I've had a pretty exciting day today, and I'm just starting to feel that we're starting to put our touch on this place. So anyway, enjoy today's video, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think that I need to do. Tell me what I need to do for I'm growing olives down here because of the price of olive oil. Let's start a discussion about, what do you think? Some ideas, a greenhouse maybe, maybe another area for wood. So give me your thoughts. Like, subscribe. See you tomorrow.